Kenya na makiria sekta ya ukui maya kurikarika muhuko makiria thutha wa ministry ya hinya uria tuhuthagira kwanirira koya mathogora ma maguta mambatire makiria.
First of all, thank you so much to this committee.
Gikaro-ini kiria kirehire hamwe ministry cia kigina migunda na waki na hinya uria tuhuthagira mbere ya kamiti ya WUIGUANO igiri-ini ria gwetha kihonia kia thogora wa iguru wa muturire. Riu minister wa hinya uria tuhuthagira CHIRCHIR augite bara ire rathi na mbere gatagati ka Israel na gikundi kia Hamas
The pricing is likely to go to $150 per barrel in the coming months. And that, when you bring to the liter in the market, is likely to really continue accelerating the price to the liter at the pump. And it could go as high, and it could go as high as $300.
300 shillings per liter.
Gatagati-ini ka mweri muhituku mathogora ma petro ni mambatirie na ciringi 5 nginyagia ciringi 217 o rita. No CHIRCHIR arauga tuhota gukinya 300 ta bururi thengia ya kuingira mutaratara-ini wa thirikari gwa thirikari kuria Kenya yaingirire kandarathi-ini ya muigana wa bilioni 35 na mabũrũri ma Kiarabu.
The G2G, in our view, is really help the country. We need to possibly spend more time to look at the details. As we speak today, we have brought in 42 cargoes through G2G and sitting on some 3.4 billion, which could have exited the economy immediately.
Agitariria itumi cia kwambatira kwa mathogora ma irio na maguta, Minister wa kigina Njuguna Ndung'u augite ucindani munene wa ciringi ya Kenya na dola ya Amerika ni undu utangigiririka kuona bururi-ini wa mukagira irio nyingi ona maguta kuma nja wa bururi. Indi ataramu aria maumaga ikaro-ini giki marauga kwina uitangi muingi thirikari-ini.
Why is the dollar scarcity? It's because the interest rates in the US has risen as far down from 0.5% to about 5% now. So it means that assets, dollar-denominated assets, are lucrative. And if you assume that the risk profile for the US is quite low, so you can see everybody is trying to say, oh, let's park our dollars where they are higher return. If, for example, the shilling today goes to 200, central bank cannot just sit and wait. Tomorrow, people who are doing businesses, everything should be chaos. You have to try and go to the market. And this is what I think has been happening in the past, and I think that can still happen.
Gikaro-ini giki thirikari no itetetio kumana na mubango wa waki wa nyumba cia raithi thengia ya PS wa waki Charles Higa utetera mutaratara uyu ta gitugi kia uthondeki wa mawira.
We have had others say if you really want to even have a lot of manufacturing of hinges and these other items, why don't you build all 16,000 primary schools?
We are investing in ourselves. And how do we invest in ourselves?
But is it a tax? You need to come out clearly.
It is a tax. Yeah.
So why do you call it a levy in your presentation?
A levy is a tax.
A levy and a tax, there's no difference.
Actually, just go take the definition of a levy from what do you call it? Wikipedia. It is a tax.
Cikaro ici igathii na mbere wa kana indi ngwataniro ya Azimio ni hitite kwaga gwikira kiro riboti ya muthia gikorwo thogora wa muturire ndugucirwo kihinyio na kihonia kiiguanirwo. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.